By the promise of the Father comes the Spirit from on high. Intro hearts redeemed from evil by the power to sanctify. Holy Spirit, faithful teacher, in my trusting heart abide. By the sacred holy presence, be my comforter and guide. Power to overcome, He give us power to reach in through Jesus' grace. Heirs of God, join heirs with Jesus in this love dwelling place. Holy Spirit, be my guide. Holy Spirit, my doors open wide. Make me to know Thy will divine. Holy Spirit, be Thou mine. Holy Spirit, my heart yearns for Thee. Holy Spirit, abide in me. Make me clean, oh, make me pure. I must know the double cure. Holy Spirit, guide my vision. Help me see the way You see. Always Jesus, ever Jesus. Christ in all as Christ in me. Holy Spirit, be my guide. Holy Spirit, my doors open wide. Make me to know Thy will divine. Holy Spirit, be the